Hello, this is Bree Kirsch, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my portfolio, storyboard, and website design. This is what I'm expecting my website to look like, the homepage, with an introduction as well as my professional video that introduces me as well as my background. And I should mention this is a responsive HTML template from templatemo.com. It's 488 Classic. That's the template that I decided to go with. I like that it is responsive and it uses Bootstrap, which means it can be viewable both on mobile devices as well as laptops and other computers. There's also no restriction on usage rights with Templatemo, and it has Creative Commons 4.0, so I will be referring to them at the bottom of my website just because as a librarian I think it's important to cite where I got the template from. So that being said, this is kind of what I'm thinking my website will look like. You can see my logo, the tree with BK in it, is at the top of the page along with the title, Breanne Kirsch Portfolio. It'll be nice and simple yet elegant using Open Sans font as well as Open Sans Light. I also chose to use gold for the buttons as well as some of the text, which is CC9900, and then the blue or navy text is 000339. So you can see it's fairly simple but also elegant at the same time. And this is what I'm expecting my second page to look like. I decided to include images from my travels because that's part of who I am, and I think it's nice to add a visual element to the website to keep it interesting. So this is actually a picture I took from Venice. And here's the artifacts page. That picture was taken in New Zealand on my honeymoon, and this is where I would have links or information about the different artifacts I plan to include. And then this is the page that I would have about the reflection and synthesis of the whole EdTech program. So in a nutshell, that is my plan for my portfolio, and I look forward to creating it. I should mention I am using Blue Griffin to edit the website with Templatemo. So Blue Griffin is a website content editor.